Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank. We've already obliterated things. We got a new gun, I guess, assist weapon. And that thing upgraded quicker than holy crap.
Yeah. Maybe you need to go down
I
there.
think we have to hit these switches.
No, I already hit that. I don't know, like, activated probably a doorway down there.
Probably. Which one?
Just explore them all, I guess. Probably the one that actually has a path.
Yeah, probably the one that actually has an entrance. Where did we come in through there?
No, we didn't come in through that way.
Patron? God, the thing is upgraded quick. It's amazing. I hear things.
Uh-huh. Oh, this doesn't look good.
Patron?
Might want to equip it first. Not gonna affect him while the shield's up. Oh, it's like a maze. You gotta go through it.
Okay.
Oh boy. Its range only got one. Get all the ammo you can.
Oh yeah.
A little low.
Well, there goes my Patron.
Yep.
Haven't used this in a while.
Oh, you got a Groovatron.
Okay, that killed everything.
Oh yeah, I've upgraded that thing quite a bit.
In a closed space like this, there's no chance of survival for these guys.
Right. Oh, it's getting that guy too, I think. Yeah, it did.
The shield.
I think I can take a beating.
Oh yeah.
Oh, card. And Raritanium. Those guys are one-hit kills.
Oh yeah, they're easy targets. Leave it open. Okay, there's no enemies there, so yay. They're one-hit kills after they split.
Oh, I see a tank over there. Ah, gotcha.
One around much too. What's out there? Oh,
A tank.
Okay. Groovatron?
Might want to call him one of those robots.
Yeah, let's get you out there too.
Is here to kill. Gates no longer activated. Know what you're about? Mr. Zircon.
Oh, great. More of them.
Oh, tank's down.
Our hero found out he was completely
Oh no.
There's another one.
Your robot's gone. He ran out of shots.
Oh crap. No, I can't go back in the maze! There you go. I'd rather deal with you guys than that.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
What do I have ammo for?
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance. Have you been killed by Mr. Zircon yet? I shall let you live, little lady.
let's tear the new one. It's trying to build some ammo up or something. He left it again. He's almost level 2.
Mr. Zircon?
Ammo! Okay, that's down.
Oh, I thought the tank was destroyed.
I know, I thought I saw it go down. There we go.
He's down. Looks like we got all of them. Hopefully now they put the race back on.
What did we get?
Open. Skid's agent.
I'm hoping to get the Rhino. Really
Yeah.
quick. I want that baby in my arsenal.
Yeah. Oh. Get all that.
Anything on top of this that I have to jump to before I start smashing?
No, don't think so.
Lovely payday.
Throw the wrench.
There we go. Got most of my ammo back.
Good news.
Yeah.
It looks like the city is now a
And
meatball
I'm only like
and we have 2 citizens
3,050
Ratchet and Clank.
away from getting
The
that
race is
other
back
gun.
on, so stay tuned for updates.
Come on now. What in the
Hey, I'm Starlene. Are you here for the race?
You know it.
Okay.
Enthusiasm. I like it. All right, head inside. The first race starts in a few minutes.
Alright.
Okay, I'm guessing we have to do all 3 races.
Get ready, racers. On your mark. Get set. Go!
No instructions or anything?
Lombax comes to us from Theldon's Kizzle Plateau. This is his first time on Rilgar, so let's give him a warm welcome.
With his boost meter filled, Ratchet activated the hoverboard nitrous system.
Ooh.
Ratchet's boost pad offered a tactical advantage to any racer who passed through. Activating
Oh, no.
just one
Really?
would put the hoverboard
I survived all that, but
system
right at
on
the edge you're gonna
overdrive.
kick me off.
And Ratchet hits the boost pad. This is just a reminder that viewers are not permitted on the course. Yes, we see you, and please put your shirt back on.
Place them again. Very nice, 6
Go.
people.
Doing pretty good.
For the first try, yeah.
Trick in air.
Okay.
Huh.
Underdog Ratchet is now in second place. Can he catch up in time? Ratchet takes the lead.
Not anymore.
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Keep it, keep it, keep it.
And Ratchet shows us a boost of speed.
Oh.
What the heck happened? Really?
Oh no.
Just because I got lagged on that one
Sorry,
jump.
Ratchet. Better luck next time.
That sucks. No, I'm not taking that for an answer.
Oh, sorry. But come back anytime and give it another try.
Yeah, I'm coming back now. I'm going to beat him. I'm not taking this for an answer. I was so close.
Go!
I think it's because you tried to do that trick, but
Comes to us from Theldon's Kizzle Plateau.
I think you tried to do a trick but landed before it was
Let's give him
done.
a warm welcome.
Probably.
A boost? Sorry.
That was nice.
Happy to hear that we just received word from Skid McMark's Express. The pro hoverboarder suffered a minor injury while breaking ground at one of the sports shacks, but is expected to make a full recovery.
Are you serious? Oh, come on. Glasses.
What a trick! Are we looking at the next Skid McMarks here? Underdog Ratchet is now in Ratchet takes the lead.
Alright.
Okay, the trick's giving more boost. I didn't know that before.
Nope. Holy crap. That was awesome.
I think I'm breaking ahead quite a bit.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice work.
Hey
You're
there.
the first Lombax
Wow.
to ever win a race.
Dang.
Come back anytime. They're always giving away cool prizes here. Perks to being sponsored by Gadgetron.
They're quick races. Should I try the higher difficulty or should I just move on?
Winner, sand shark dinner.
Should I try the higher difficulty on that?
Sure.
Get ready, racers.
Since I understand the concept of all these bombs now.
Oh no.
Fan favorites Ratchet and Clank are back. Can they repeat the same magic we saw during our last competition? Let's find out.
Oh boy, this is probably going to be a little bit more difficult.
Oh, I'm sure it is. It's not that hard to maneuver. As I say, as I almost hit all the bombs.
Alright.
Race brought to you in part by Megacorp, makers of this year's most anticipated toy, the Proto Pet. Pre-order yours today. Whoa, nice trick. Lombax has
Ooh.
skill.
I don't know what I did, but it got me in fourth at least.
Ooh.
I'm cutting corners big time with this.
Yeah.
I got one
Cutting
more
them
lap
a
to
little
make it-
too close. Alright, one more lap to get to try and get in the first place.
Speed. Underdog Ratchet is now in. Ratchet takes the lead.
Oh, you're still in the lead. You're still in the lead.
Oh yeah, baby. See if I can keep it going.
Just don't do anything too risky right now. Okay, you've got this. There's no way you don't have this right now.
That's the finish line. That's good. That is awesome. I got that on my first try.
That was awesome. Enjoy your prize. You earned it.
I wonder how much of a payload we got for that.
I don't know.
Alright. Did that in 1 minute and 49 seconds. I think we're so close. I think we'll just leave it here. If you want to
Yes,
take it on the
you
hard
qualified for the
challenge in the
Gold
next
Cup.
episode, you can.
Sure.
Tempting.
Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you liked this episode, put the thumbs up button. And as always, if you like our channel, subscribe. And if you want to check out other great videos, click on Miko's channel, Miko Gaming. And if you want to keep in touch with us, I mean dearly, leave some comments on our Facebook or Twitter page in the description below. And we will personally
Hey,
answer
wanna
all
race
your
again?
questions. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.